So we got problems with the starter on this thing. It's not cranking. Okay, let's see where the starter is. So one thing I want to let you know is that this starter is easy. It's right there. So it should only take you like about I would say probably 7 minutes the most to remove it. This one is a 13 millimeter, same as this one over here. And over here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's right here. You got a 10 millimeter bolt right here, which is holding the transmission dipstick, and another one on the bottom over here. If you could see it, it's right here. It's that one right there. If you see it, this one over here, that 10 millimeter has to come out. But this one over here, pull it out. There, 14. Looks like 14 millimeter. One on the bottom, which is right here where my finger is, and this one over here, and that's it. Okay, so what did I say? This started is easy. Should take you only about like 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. Let's check if this thing is good or it's not good. So let's get the power probe. You see it's not moving. See, wire, oh, this one right here. Somebody could crank it and you could put the power probe or a test light over here. And if you're getting power over here, then that means the starter is no good. It's just gonna be clicking. If you see that video that for the Toyota Corolla, I explained that how to put the power probe or the test light over here where this little wire goes. This little wire goes over here. This is where you get the power. So since you guys already know, I mean, how is it? Just put everything back the same way we took everything apart. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, it feels good. It's ready to go.